Hey everyone, it's Daniel again. Today I'm going to be showing you where all four camshaft position sensors are located on your Toyota pickup. So in this case, there are four of them, and I will be identifying each sensor so that you know exactly which bank they are and what number they're classified as. So this Tacoma is a 2016 and I was receiving the code P0348, and that's camshaft position sensor A, bank 2. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this plenum, lift up on the front of it, and pull it away from the vehicle. So the first sensor I'm going to show you is causing the code P0348, and this is the intake camshaft sensor bank 2. So you will notice that all four of these sensors are titled as VVT sensors, that is variable valve timing sensors. If you are interested in learning how to repair this problem, please like and subscribe, as I will have that video posted shortly. So the next sensor we're going to look at is the exhaust camshaft bank 2 sensor. So this is located just underneath the one we just looked at, and this one here is pretty accessible. So now we will go over to the passenger side of the vehicle and we're going to look at the other two. So the upper sensor on the passenger side is for intake camshaft bank 1, and the lower sensor is for exhaust camshaft bank 2. So for a quick overview, the exhaust sensors are the lower ones, the intake sensors are the upper, driver side sensors are bank 2, and passenger side sensors are bank 1. I hope you found this video to be very useful. Please feel free to like and subscribe for future videos, and especially if you're interested in seeing the repair on this. It could save you tons of time and money. I just wanted to add that rodent damage is typically covered under automotive insurance.